guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is about me doing my makeup tutorial. My fast makeup tutorial. This is for people who wants to go work with makeup on but don't have all that time to do all that, or some workplaces do not allow you to be all glammed up but you still want to have a little bit of makeup on. This video is for you. If you want to go out, you're going out and you want to have a little makeup on but not too much, this video is for you, baby. So guys, go find something to do and let's girls do what we gotta do. Okay, so let's get this started. We're going to use moisturizer. That's what I use. I'm not going to do too much because my skin got a little moisturizer early on. I'm just gonna do like dots just to like show y'all. That's a nice smell. I just don't want it to go on my lips. So let's like moisturize our face. No. me and my nose peephole and then my forehead. Y'all not seen how big it is today because you know you get that hair on flick and it's like on top of your head. And yeah, we are done. Now when jobs will open, I will just go like foundation next. So let me get my foundation popping. Just watch what I'm doing, okay? Just watch. I'm using the cup. So I'm going to not so much. That amount is good for me. Sit. Using my gold brush. It's time for me to photo sing, so yeah, look at them. But anyways, I love them anyways. So what I do, so just take like this and like. Oh my gosh. You are the dog. If you find that dark enough, you can just go on and squeeze a little bit more. Just not too much. And then we're just going to like blend it on. Let's blend this, baby. So I'm starting with my nose because that's like the best one to start with first. So I am starting with my nose. Then I'm going to my face and cheeks. Under my neck, right here. Excuse my chin, my double chin. I love it though. We're still blending. So we're blending. Okay, so blend until you're kind of like see like as if you have makeup on your, like, people wanna know you have makeup on your face, but blend properly, people. Okay. Blend properly. Okay, now that is it for our foundation. Can do this brush challenge, but I'm not gonna do it. Never mind. So now we're going to use CoverGirl clean face powder. Yeah, so if you're using anything else, it's good too, you know. So I like to just go in like this and just like go on my face like right away. Afterwards we'll do like the whole blending and all that. Okay, so let me show you all the fast way I apply my face powder. I cannot show it, but I usually go like this. Okay. And then we're gonna blend everything together. Seriously, let's blend. My camera is so dope, like it's actually giving me red lipstick. Anyways, then I'm gonna use my setting spray. This is not something I like. Okay, one, don't open your eyes whilst you spray this. Close your eyes. You don't want too much, okay? Okay, let's go. 1, 2. And wait for this to dry. Find yourself. Okay, so whilst I wait for this to dry, let's just like enjoy the music. okay, seriously, I think it's dry already. And now I'm gonna put my lipstick. You check. Okay guys, this was my first makeup tutorial. Yes, so yeah, that was it. That's what I used to do when I used to work. If I go in Fort or anywhere and it's like a rush thing, that is pretty much all what I do. Someplace in the future I'm gonna do a long version, actually take my time, but for now this is all what I do when I go to work or when I just don't want to put all that makeup on my face. I hope y'all find it useful too. So before I end the video, let me just say something about coronavirus and what we should be doing that we're not doing. If you have, wherever you are, if you have curfews and shutdowns, do not go around on the streets being stupid, not stupid, but acting like you don't care about the police and all those people. At the end of the day, when you disobey that, you are actually putting yourself at harm, because they're putting the country on lockdown for a reason, so this will not spread more than it has already. So to prevent all of us from dying, please stay at your home. Spend time with your family. You know, if you have kids, play with your kids, get to know what your kids love to do whilst you're at work, what they learned at school when school was open. You know, cook a new dish, do something new in the house, play board games. I do not know, but find something to do whilst you're at home, because right now we all want to survive, but what are we really doing to survive? Okay, wash your hands, wear your mask, wear your gloves, have your social distance. Just do everything that you're supposed to do to survive. Serious, and right now there should not be anything such as politics. Shouldn't be anything about who going to win, who not going to win, because right now this is killing everybody if we don't put our heads together. We start fighting each other, you know what's going to happen? All of us gonna die. The world will end. Okay, the world will end, people. So let's come together as a world, as one world, one love, and let's beat Corona. You know what I'm talking about. Let's beat this. Okay, right now I'm at home. I can dress however I want, put makeup when I want. You know, once you don't let yourself go and you find things to make you happy, you know, you're good. Right now I'm at home, I'm all dressed. I just show y'all how to do a short makeup tutorial. You know, those people that want to do it, you know, but just find things to do at your home, because I want my followers to stay alive. I need y'all, and I love y'all too much to hear any of y'all with coronavirus. Like, please just come back to me. Just stay alive for me, please. Stay alive for your family and yourself, please. So that's all for the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Please stay safe. Please take this serious because it is serious and we all want to survive. So please, my people, take this serious and let's continue to live until God calls us, but not by Corona, okay? Not by Corona, please. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Love y'all. Oh, this is a serious crisis. This is not just happening to one set of the world and leaving the other set untouched. This is happening everywhere. So what you gotta do, you gotta wash your hands. I don't care how many times you wash your hands, but wash your hands. And you should have been washing your hands way before this came, because that's the way of life. Drink water. Keep your body hot. Drink your herbs. Spend time with your family. Pray. Stay at home. Stay at home. They're staying at work. The doctors, police officers, all these people are going to work to protect you. So stay at home for them. I'm staying at home. I don't care how long I have to be in quarantine, but I'm staying at home. It's safer there. Do the same. Or return to your planet. Shh.